This is tomato basil pasta. This one gets everything right. Few ingredients, 15 minutes, and it tastes like summer, so let's get into it. And this is day 3. I'm making 7 pasta recipes in 7 days, from creamy, spicy to Middle Eastern. If you missed yesterday's recipe, be sure to check it out in the playlist. But first, this is tomato basil pasta. What we need is linguine pasta, cherry tomato, Parmesan cheese, basil, olive oil, garlic, chili flakes, and oregano. Just like making any pasta, start by bringing a pot of generously salted water to a boil, add in the pasta, and cook according to the package instructions. While that's cooking, drizzle 4 tablespoons of olive oil into a large pan, add the garlic, pressed or finely minced. Stir for about 30 seconds, making sure it does not burn. Next, add in 1 teaspoon of chili flakes and cook for another minute. This helps bring out their flavor and infuses the oil. Now you could add more chili flakes to make it spicier, but this is really enough for me. Now I will take about 1 pound of cherry tomatoes, cut them in half, and add them to the pan. Give everything a good stir and let the tomatoes cook for a few minutes until they begin to soften. Tomatoes and basil are one of my favorite summer combinations. If you are like me, give this video a like. Now add about 1/4 cup of pasta water, then gently mash some of the tomatoes. We are not looking for a completely smooth sauce, just enough to release some of their juices. This is looking good enough for me. Now I will season with 1 teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon salt, and half a teaspoon black pepper. You can of course add more salt or black pepper depending on your liking. Give everything a quick mix and let it simmer for another minute. The pasta is fully cooked at this point, so I'm adding it straight into the pan. Give everything a good toss until the pasta is coated in all those delicious flavors. This is not a heavy saucy pasta, it is light, it is fresh and perfect for summer. If you find the pasta a little too dry, you can add another 1/4 cup of pasta water and give everything a good toss. If you're enjoying this recipe so far, don't forget to give this video a like. Now to make this cheesy and nutty, I will add about 100 grams of Parmesan cheese, along with another 1/4 cup of pasta water. Give everything a good mix until the cheese melts into the sauce. We're almost done here, so let's finish with a handful of fresh basil. This adds a burst of freshness that brings the whole dish together. If you're enjoying this series, 7 pasta recipes in 7 days, don't forget to check the whole playlist. I will link it for you. And that is it. Tomato basil pasta done in just 15 minutes, simple ingredients, fresh flavors, and proof that you don't need complicated sauce to make a delicious pasta dish. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow along for day 4 of my 7 pasta recipes in 7 days. We've still got some amazing recipes coming up. Thank you for watching Meats by Mary, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.